Well, the greenhouse is done and I am loving it. This thing is sweet. 6 by 12, and I can stand up. It's about 6 feet tall as well. I mean, I got a lot of things going. The majority of this stuff are grapes. I have about 10 different varieties of grape cuttings, and I just got the cuttings. I mean, literally just a stick. Everything's labeled 2/28, February 28th, and everything is rooting up. We got the French pink pussy willows, they're coming along. But in the back, you'll see these are Nankin cherries, which for a food forest or a lawn, they're gorgeous. Some of them here back there, you can see they bud white flowers. Then after that, they'll be full of cherries. Not yet, not these ones. These ones, in about 3 years, will just be a bunch of branches full of cherries for easy picking. Gotta have two. They do need a pollinator. But got elderberry and just a whole bunch of things going on here. It's been kind of I'd say a decent spring. I also have the bins with gooseberry. They're coming along. And if we go outside, I just want to kind of show you a couple different things. I got that full of the grape cuttings before I pot them up. I start them just to put the cuttings in. People do with the fig pops. I call these grape pops. So again, this 3-1. Some of the ones, the Concords, the Fredonias, La Crescent, they were rooting very quick, but Niagara's a little slower. Then I have some other ones as well, but let's just take a peek. Got a bunch of stuff going on here. We got currants, quite a few currants, grapes as well. But here's the chicken coop, and last year I started, planting a lot of the, this is my root stock, my mother plants. And when you come in here, everything you'll see all the green plants, those are all currants. I have Red Lake currants, Consort, and a couple, Vonderjeet. Yeah, so plenty of currants. I like those, very cold hardy. And then the grapes. So I got a grape here, and it's just starting, you can see it's waking up and it's starting to bud out. And that grape there, it'll shoot right up, and a rabbit got to that one. But everything is waking up. Here's another grape I have in the corner, and I'm expecting some fruit this year. But as you can see, the buds they're just starting to kind of pop up. But I got some gooseberry, and there's blueberry that I planted last year, and they're popping up. They got munched too by a rabbit. I left the door open, but lots of things happening. Again, another grapevine, and I got some of this stuff from a guy at Nursery in Duluth. Kind of did a deal last year, but you get something started like this. Now come next year will be my 3rd year with these plants in the ground. Then I could start taking cuttings and sell them, give them away to friends, but the main thing is to populate the Big Woods Food Forest. And then behind there, that is where last year I did a bunch of mushroom spawn, and wine cap mushrooms, and those things were just flushing like crazy. And I'm waiting. After this weekend's rain, I bet you come next week I'll have wine caps. So we'll see. But And the best, I really just encourage people, if you're interested in gardening, get into some perennial plants if that's kind of, something that may interest you, because all these provide food. And actually this currant, I'm going to pick these off, but it's actually starting to fruit. And then next year I could take, chop, stick them in the ground, and bingo, and then you have another, currant plant, just like that, a duplicate. So let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please like and subscribe, and make it a great day.